All right, I gotta admit, I was pretty impressed with the NextGen suite that this townhome offers. So if that's something you're looking for, you're definitely gonna wanna see what's inside. All right, so we're in Henderson today, checking out these townhomes built by Lennar. Brand new community that just opened up. They've got a few models here, ranging from 2 to 3 bedroom houses, or townhomes, I would say. So you've got a 2-car garage, you've got pavers on the driveway. And the reason we're checking out this model is because it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house, 1858 square feet. But most importantly, one of those bedrooms is the NextGen suite. So walking up, that's gonna be the door to the primary living area. And if you turn to the left, there's the separate entrance to the NextGen suite. This door is gonna be the door to the 2-car garage. But again, you're gonna wanna stick with me all the way to the end because you're not gonna wanna miss out on what that NextGen looks like.
A door open.
All right, so right when you walk in, you're gonna have stairs that leads you up to the main living area. So typically most townhomes won't have a yard. They may have a little patio area, just like this one. So you can see it's not very big, but just enough to have a little area to hang out, have a grill. Again, this is gonna be the sliding door that leads to the NextGen suite right there. So that's kind of cool. But let's go ahead and head upstairs so I can show you how beautiful this townhome looks. So again, this guy is 1858 square feet. The price here is starting in the mid 400,000s. All right, so if you're familiar with Lennar, what they say is what you see is what you get. So what they mean by that is a lot of the options are going to be already pre-selected for you. And a lot of times the houses or lots that they've been releasing has been fully spec'd out. So you really can't even choose anything. If you are able to build a Lennar and choose options, typically you'll be able to choose the flooring, the color of the countertops, color of the cabinetry, if you want a backsplash in your kitchen. So you'll definitely want to make sure you budget for those upgrades. So right now I'm giving you a view right here from the dining area and really show you how spacious and open this floor plan is, this main living area. So you've got the main living room right here, right next to the kitchen. Got a really good size island right there. It's got a large dining table right here. So I could definitely imagine myself hosting and being able to cater to a good amount of people up here. So nice quartz countertop right here. They got it modeled with the gray shaker cabinets. You're gonna have the stove, dishwasher, got the soft close on the cabinets right there. And the good thing about Lennar is typically they will include the fridge, the washer and dryer, and of course the stove, microwave, and dishwasher is gonna be a standard. So again, this unit right here has the 2 bedrooms while the 3rd bedroom is in the NextGen suite. So right now we're in one of the spare bedrooms. So not too bad. Not the biggest, but they've got a full-size bed right here. You've got the sliding doors for the closet. I'd say it's about a 10 by 10 room. And right next to it is going to be your primary bedroom right here. It's got the nice king-size bed. Got your primary bathroom with the walk-in shower right here. Got the dual sinks, which is always nice. Got the under-mounted sinks, some nice faucets. You got your toilet right there. Got a good size walk-in closet for the primary bedroom. Definitely a good size. And the one thing I like about this townhome is the primary bedroom has its own balcony. Look at all those views right there. So again, this guy is starting in the mid 400,000s. HOA up here is going to be 175. Here's the full bath. There'll be a tub shower combo there. You got your laundry room. This interesting guy is going to be your smart panel box. So this is where you're going to be housing your modem, your router, all your Cat 6 cables that's hardwired to all your devices. So give you another view right here. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this. If you would consider a townhome here in Henderson, or this is kind of like a loft style townhome, really, being that the living area is upstairs versus downstairs. All right, so let's go and head downstairs into the separate NextGen suite and give you a glimpse of what that's all about. All right, so now, again, this is the separate entrance to the NextGen suite. So the one thing I like about this compared to some of the other NextGen suites is that it's completely closed off to the main living area. Typically, the other homes that I've seen have NextGen suites also has a separate door that connects to the main living area, which can be a pro or a con, just kind of depends on who's buying the house. So really good living space. It's got your nice little kitchenette right there, beautiful quartz countertop, under-mounted sink. It's got the matching shaker cabinets like the main living area. You've got the luxury vinyl planks on the floor, and again, 9-foot ceilings to the top. And if you remember in the beginning, here's the entrance to, or the access to the backyard patio, which is kind of cool. So sitting on the couch, kind of get a feel of what this would look like, So the cool thing is you can actually rent this out if you'd like, or this might cater to maybe a elderly parent or relative, maybe an older college student. Just gives a lot of privacy and separation from everyone else. So here's the main room. Wow. Okay, so they've got the huge walk-in closet, which has the stacking washer and dryer in here as well. Wow, this is really huge. I'm not a huge fan of stacking or stackable washer and dryers, but obviously for the purpose of this NextGen suite, it makes it more efficient. So as the bathroom, you've got a walk-in shower, got the floors all the way throughout. Again, got the nice quartz countertops here. But yeah, pretty cool. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this NextGen suite, if it suits your guys' family or your lifestyle, what you would do with it, who you would put in here, whether it's a family or if you would rent it out. And again, if you want any information on this model or any models in this community, I'll have all the information down below. Don't hesitate to reach out. You can give me a call, text, DM, email me, whatever's convenient for you. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. See you guys.